Always put your significant other out there.
Sure. I think this is fine, but just a more descriptive term
Like
instead
my
of an
love
emoji.
or something. Like depending on how long you've been together.
My brain. Ivana, what are your thoughts?
The photos look good. So far the best profile out of like all of them. Cute photo, like shows like an activity in the background, bowling. That's pretty solid. This one looks kind of cool. Kind of looks like very artsy. The graffiti in the back, and then just like the fit and the way it's taken. Very creative.
You learned well.
I learned well.
Actually, you know what this is. And I spoke to him about what he wants to do with this page. He has a girlfriend, so he's just using this to connect with friends, basically.
I think it's cool. Pretty solid online presence.
First of all, you already know what I'm gonna say. Take a different picture and put it up here for your profile. You're following 400 people and you have 500 followers. You don't need to be following 400 people. You don't see their posts. Look out for the people that you don't need to be following and just unfollow. Your bio says God first, and then your university and these emojis. So take the quotes out. You want to describe what you do. You want to describe yourself just a bit. So for example, you could say
what major you have.
What major you have, good. Like future doctor or something like that. Something interesting like that. With an emoji in front of it, not behind. If you're an athlete as well, you can put that in there. This is the best profile so far, so let's give him a round of applause at least. He deserves that. Now for your highlights. Fire emoji. So if you have a sneaker collection, then change this to a more descriptive word and make sure you have high quality pictures of your entire shoe collection, not just one picture.
I think I like the fact that there's like highlights of, and it's clearly stated like, oh, these are quotes, and they're not put into the main photos like over here.
Yeah.
You know, it's not, that's
yeah,
smart.
Not like the previous guy, yeah. The last highlight is probably you and your girlfriend, I suspect.
Cute, yeah. Always put your significant other out there.
Alright, sure. I think this is fine, but just a more descriptive term
like
instead
my
of an
love
emoji.
or something. Like depending on how long you've been together.
My brain. Alright, let's check your tagged section. I took this picture. Oh, that's me there. Huh. Okay, in Dubai, I like that. Your tag section is pretty calm.
Yeah, this picture is really nice.
Wait, I forgot to say, would you respond to his DM?
No. Hell no.
No, I know he has a girlfriend, but if he wasn't in a relationship, would you respond to his DM based off his profile right now?
No, because there's not enough pictures of him. Looks like you travel, which is good. Maybe, I don't know. Leaning more towards the no. I don't want to get in trouble with the girlfriend.
What's the thoughts?
I mean, they're obviously really nice photos, but I'm not getting a sense of like, who is this person? There's not enough pictures of him like grouped into one. There's 96 posts. I think that's a little too much. They're very, very nice pictures. I'll just say that. Before you ask, I would not respond to the DM just because I don't know what this person's about.
So first of all, you should change your username. You don't need to have numbers in your username. You want it to be something simple and memorable so that people can actually remember. If your username is like SKCRC 2049, no one's gonna be able to remember that. So change that and make it more simple. Then your profile picture, I like the picture itself, but we can't see you in there because you're too far. So take a headshot, take a selfie and put that on your profile picture. You look like you already know how to take pictures, so this should be very easy for you to get done. In your bio, let's see, I get out of bed and keep ending up in different countries. That's funny. That's interesting, at least. Person creator of So-So podcast, that's fine. So I would say put a globe emoji and then you can have this statement, I get out of bed and keep ending up in different countries. I think you should have the globe emoji instead of all the flags. And then the host and creator of So-So podcast is good as well. And you have the link there, that's perfect. Your highlight, Spotify promo. When So-So podcast publishes a new episode on Spotify. Okay, that's a bit funny though. Let's see, Rome. Okay, Rome part 1. Alright, so I would say for this highlight, the Spotify one, change it to podcast, and then for the second, change it to travel. And you can put everything in there, from Rome to Korea and all that good stuff. Now you have nice pictures, but a lot of them don't have you in it. You're not as present as I would like you to be. So for example, this could be a highlight in your travel section. This could be in your travel section. If you're dabbling into photography and cars, then have a highlight for that. Keep that separate. You don't want to have that on your feed.
That's not really like a good example of that either. It's like really close up of
it's
the
not a good
car.
example of the actual pictures you take. So okay, this is nice. We can see you in an interesting environment. We can see your face clearly. Nice pose. Take this down, please. We don't know what that is for. Just take it down. All these pictures of nature, of nice restaurants, you want to put everything in travel. For the restaurants, you can either put it in travel or lifestyle, depending on what you want. But for the other pictures of foreign countries, put everything in travel.
I think you should have like people in the photo. That's
Exactly.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's another thing. You don't want people to think that you just go there, take pictures and walk out. That would be strange. So you obviously want to have people in these pictures. A midnight session was a much needed boost for my morale. This is nice, but I would say put this in a workout highlight instead of putting it in your feed. Except you're like a workout influencer or something. And I don't think you are. He has like really nice pictures though, but he has too many random pictures without him in it. Make those changes. Any random quotes you may have, because I wasn't able to scroll to the bottom, but any random quotes you may have, just take them off. Let's check out your reels. These are just travel experiences. Then you're tagged. It doesn't make him look bad, but it doesn't improve his appearance anyway. So I'll say untag yourself from that. So would you respond to his DM? Yes or no?
Just from this photo, I don't think I would.
Why not?
Because it's just really random. Why is this part of your only 6 posts? Show me what you've done, show me where you've been, something about you. I think this photo looks really nice, but overall, I don't think I would respond to the DM because it's not as intriguing as I would want it to be. This photo is cool. Obviously, this one is nice because it's like professionally taken.
So first of all, I would say that you should change your profile picture just because we can't see what you look like. We can definitely see it in your post, but if you DM someone, you need them to figure out that it's you immediately. So you need to change that. And from what I can see, you know how to take good pictures of yourself, so this shouldn't be too hard. Your followers to following ratio is too close. You and I know that you don't need to be following 1,200 people, so try and get that list down as much as possible. Your bio is meant for you to describe yourself a bit, and all glory to God is great and all. I'm a man of God, as she knows, but yeah, it doesn't do much for you. Howard University alumni is nice. Maybe former athlete or athlete, you can put that in there. And just whatever you do right now, just to make your profile seem more intriguing. Describe yourself a bit more, and yeah. You want to put the emoji first and then the statement instead of the emoji at the end. Okay, so friends, other athletes from school, haircut, okay, this is nice, alright. So it's a combination of haircuts, outfits, friends, and
Selfie pics.
and yeah, like outings. So I would say split your highlights into different categories just to be more specific. So one could be gang, another one could be fit check or like outfits, because I can see I've seen a few outfit pictures in there. Another one could be lifestyle, so you going ice skating, having fun, jumping out of a window, jumping out of a plane, I mean, stuff like that.
Jumping out of a window.
That was super random, but yeah.
I like how he did not put those pictures on his main posts. That's a mistake that some of the other profiles were doing.
I'm sure he's been watching my videos for a while now.
Okay. So yeah, smart to not have those selfie pics on here. Just more interesting to put non-selfie photos.
Okay, then let's go to your tagged.
Why is the tagged so important?
So people get tagged in vulgar stuff and they have no idea. So let's say all these bot accounts that post adult content can tag you and stuff like that, and you would never know. So if you DM a chick and she's snooping around your page and she sees adult content in your tag section, it makes you look weird, you know?
Yeah.
Stuff like that. So you always want to check and make sure that you don't get tagged in weird stuff. So everything in your tag section looks good and you're good to go. I think this is the second best profile we've seen today, besides the first one we clapped for. Let's move on to this gentleman.
Okay.
Would you respond to his DM? Hey baby.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No. I'm so sorry. But no. Because I have no idea what this person's about, but it does not look interesting at all.
So first of all, change his profile picture to a picture of yourself. A good either selfie or regular picture of your face so we can see who you are.
I wouldn't say selfie. Like,
No,
I don't think a profile picture should always be like a selfie. It can be like a further distance photo showing like your whole body and like a nice background. It could be like one of the posts, you know? It doesn't have to be a selfie.
The problem with that is you can't see the person's face now, can you?
Yeah, but like if you're looking on your phone, like you can't really see it anyways because the picture is so small. Yeah.
Yeah. That's why you should have. Anyway, you can listen to her if you want. I mean, that's fine. We have our opinions. In my opinion, it should be your face so people can see who you are quickly. And if you DM chicks, I'm sure he tries to DM chicks. So if you DM a chick and she sees blessed, she's not gonna open it. She doesn't have the patience for that. But if you DM her and it's a good picture of your face and you're smiling, then at least she might consider opening your message. That's the only reason why I say that. Pictures of you smiling and looking into the camera get more engagement on Instagram than pictures of you looking away and keeping a straight face. That's the thing. You're following 500 people and you have 270 followers. Unfollow these people. You have random pictures of other people on your page. You have skits, memes.
What's this one?
Oh my god, you want to find out? Oh my god, this! My god.
Looks like it could be a meme.
Yeah, just delete it. Just random selfies, low quality pictures, you with friends. Yeah, bro, you need a lot of work. So I'm editing the video right now and I realized that the screen recording section for the last subscriber didn't process properly. So I'm gonna give him some action items to focus on right now. So first of all, delete most, if not everything that's on your profile, including your profile picture, any highlights you may have, and your photos and reels. Delete everything. Then I want you to have professional photo shoots with a professional photographer, not your friends, a professional photographer. Use about 3 to 5 outfits and take as many pictures as possible. Make sure you smile in these pictures because pictures of you smiling do better than pictures of you keeping a straight face on Instagram. And after doing that, I want you to put the best pictures on your Instagram feed. You want to have a minimum of 10 posts on your page so that when people come on there, they can at least see some history and see that you're a real person. Then while you're taking this photo shoot, I want you to take a good headshot so you can use it for your profile picture. Make sure you're smiling and make sure you're looking into the camera directly. Next, I want you to unfollow a bunch of people. You don't need to follow these people. You don't see their posts. You don't engage with them. I'm sure you don't even communicate with these people most of the time. So you need to ask yourself, why am I following these people? So reduce that list, and if you're interested in getting more followers, watch the previous video where I talk about that on other reviews and get that done.